Hi, my name is Ken Wallowitz at Stack-On Products. Today I'd like to show you a few of the features in our line of personal security cases. Today we are on the go more than ever. Whether traveling by car, by plane, or staying in a hotel, Stack-On's personal security cases will give you peace of mind knowing your valuables are locked away. Stack-On's full line of security cases fit your needs, from a small case that is great for holding cash, credit cards, and more, to one large enough to hold most tablets. The design of these slimline cases allow you to store them under the seat of most cars and trucks. Many can fit in a briefcase, or a backpack, or your suitcase. All meet TSA guidelines. All of these cases are constructed of steel and are designed to be secured with the steel cable which is included. To secure the case to a solid object such as under your car's seat or a bedpost, simply insert the end of the cable through the looped end and insert into the groove on the back or side of the case. Once the case is closed and locked, the contents will remain secure. Stack-On's personal security cases come in 3 sizes. Larger models include electronic or biometric locks. The smaller cases are locked with a key or 3-number tumbler lock. The electronic lock on the larger cases can be programmed to accept your personal 3 to 8-digit combination. Programming the combination is easy and quick with just the press of a button. Press the red button located on the inside of the case. Enter your new combination and simply press the red button again. Your new combination has now been entered. A low battery warning light will flash to let you know when it is time to change the batteries. A backup key is also included. The biometric lock allows access to the contents of your case with just the swipe of a finger. It is easy to program and will accept up to 28 different scans. You must program in your fingerprints to allow future access to the contents in the case. To program the lock, just press the reset button inside the case. One beep will sound and the green light will start to flash on the faceplate of the case. While the green light is flashing, slide the finger you would like to record across the scanner. When you hear a single beep, the scan has been successful but not yet recorded. Repeat scanning the same finger while listening for the single beep for each successful scan. As you continue to scan your finger, the scanner is learning your fingerprint. After a minimum of 5 scans, possibly more, the case will beep 2 times, indicating the fingerprint has successfully been recorded. If the scan happens to fail, the red light will flash and there will be 4 beeps. Continue to scan after the green light goes on, but be aware that 3 failed scans will result in the termination of the recording session and you will need to start the process over. We recommend you program several of your fingers and even program each one several ways to ensure success when opening your case. Fingerprint readers are sensitive. If you have excess dirt, oil, lotion, or other materials on your fingers, they may not scan correctly. To open the case after programming in your fingerprints, simply press the start button. There will be 1 beep and the green light will go on. While the light is green, slide your finger across the scanner. If the scan is successful, the green light will flash, you will hear 2 beeps, and the door will open. If the scan fails, the red light will flash and there will be 4 beeps. Try to scan your finger again after the green light comes on. If you fail to scan your finger within 3 attempts, the scan will stop and you will need to push the start button again. A backup key is included. All of these cases come with a padded interior to protect the contents from scratching and shifting. All the cases come in a textured black paint finish with chrome accents. Thanks for taking the time to learn a little bit more about Stack-On's line of personal security cases. These products provide great security and features at an affordable price. For more information, please visit our website at stack-on.com or contact us for a retailer near you.